In today's fast-paced world, the quicker you can help your customer make an informed decision on the service of their vehicle, the quicker you can complete the repairs and get them back on the road. The Coates Automatic Tread Depth Scanner provides a real-time analysis of tread depth and overall tire health that any customer can understand. By simply driving over the platforms, the system is triggered, automatically taking instant readings and generating a report right before your eyes on a tablet, computer, or printed copy. The tire health report is created using 60 data points per millimeter over a 17-inch read area along the tread. These points are generated by 2 HD cameras and multiple point LED lights. Unlike laser-based systems, this colorful array is able to read a wider area with fewer errors and give a true 3D analysis of the tire to measure tread depth and detect wear patterns. Additionally, the camera mounted between the platforms takes a photo of the front or back license plate as the vehicle passes by to identify the vehicle without the use of an external sensor. The customizable report not only shows tire conditions, but also the recommended actions, estimated braking distance, and any irregular tread wear patterns to truly visualize the current health of your customer's tires. Once the drive over is completed, the system will go into a standby mode, allowing it to always be ready for the next vehicle, and in the meantime, it will store up to 10 consecutive tests without the need to download. The Coates Automatic Tread Depth Scanner comes in 2 space-effective versions, a surface mount or a flush mount, both of which require little to no maintenance due to the absence of moving parts and having a low sensitivity to foreign materials, such as dust and debris, unlike laser systems. Give your customers the confidence they need to make an informed service decision with the Coates Automatic Tread Depth Scanner.